So good morning, good afternoon, good evening, traders, wherever you are in the world. FX Warrior today. Now, if you clicked on this video, chances are you're actually halfway there to making a profitable trading system, and you actually have better chance at making it in trading than most people that just go ahead looking for 100% win rate strategies. That's enough of the rants. Let me just go into the concept of today's video. I know the title doesn't give away what the video is actually about. Now, if you're looking at this chart on Euro USD on the 15 minutes time frame, you can see this big candle going up here. You can see these multiple down candles and all of this stuff. Okay, I promise you guys, when I'm done with this concept, it's actually going to make sense. Now, most day traders trade in every single price action available. Every single price action. I mean, day traders, if you trade any time frame below the 4-hour time frame, you are most likely a day trader or an intraday trader. Now, let me take this chart to the 1 hour. Sorry, to the 1 day. Now, this is the daily time frame. Now, can you spot any candle as big as that candle? Just look at the consistency of this chart. I'll keep scrolling so you just see. This is what day traders get to enjoy, and I'm all for it. If you're just you have enough capital and you have enough leverage to access and trade daily time frame comfortably, then go ahead and do it. There's no stressing yourself about the lower time frame and day trading. But if you know you don't have the luxury and you have to stick to the lower time frame, especially because of prop firms like the fivers, then you have to listen to what I'm saying today to help yourself improve in your day trading. Now I'm going to go back to the 15 minutes time frame and I'm going to show you that same type price action of this bullish candle here. Now, this bullish candle is actually not the problem. The problem is people who are trying to trade in all of this price action that led to this bullish candle. And some people still trading during the bullish candle, some people trading after the bullish candle, are not actually allowing the market to breathe and settle down. Now, if you've made money on this bullish candle, your ego is going to be 100%. You're not actually going to want to listen to this video and you're going to feel like news trading is important. Now, this was caused by a forex news. I don't know if it happens in stocks, but this news also affects metals and indices, sometimes oil. Now, since we know when the news is about to be released, most people know at least, I don't see the use of trading during these times. I've backtested it and over 1,000 trades tell me that I shouldn't be trading close to news as we have higher probability of losing in this market. Now, people who trade this news are people who are dumb because they want to trade only one time frame, or they feel there's only one market to trade in the whole market. We have forex markets, we have metal markets, we have US 30, we have indices, metals, currency, stocks, and you feel like, oh, Euro USD is the only pair I'm ever going to trade. Now, do you know why this is so dumb? Because there are some periods Euro USD is just going to consolidate, and then you're just going to keep taking losses. Like, look at this dog shit right here. Look at all of this up candle, down candle. If you're making money here, I'm most likely gambling. I'm not saying there's no strategy to catch these trades, but in my own experience, over 3 years looking at the charts and all of those fun stuff, you are most likely taking losses, countless losses, regardless of the direction. If you're trying to buy, if you're trying to sell, all of these are going to give you losses. Now, if you go to this site that is called Forex Factory, I'm just going to click on it. This is Forex Factory. I don't know if my charts, it's not going to show it, but you can go to www.forexfactory.com and it's going to give you some news there. That is one option to know when these news are about to be released. This is going to save you a lot of pips, a lot of money, and a lot of lost trades not being taken. Now, there's a general rule of thumb. Stick with me through this video. I'm not just rambling and I'm not just telling you not to trade news. There's a general rule of thumb: do not trade the high impact news, blah de blah. Now, the first thing I want you to do as a trader is trade more than one pair. It's not gonna hurt you. You're not gonna be over risking if you do it right. I'm gonna make another video on risking right, trading multiple pairs. I can trade up to 28, 27 currencies if I wanted to, but I just limit myself to like 15. I don't trade them every day. Not all of them give me what I want every single day, but I have different markets to trade and different volatilities to catch. I trade gold, I trade US 30, I trade every single thing. That is one fun thing about being a trader and having an algorithm. I don't trade manually, but you can still do it manually because not every market is in a context to trade. If you do not know when to stay out of markets, you are most likely going to be taking losses after losses, and you keep wondering why you keep failing and why you keep losing and why you keep blowing accounts. This is not a market I would love to be a part of. This is a volumeless market, and this is market you do not control. If you know about smart money, you know that all those firms are the ones doing this. Now, it's not always as pretty as an up candle. There are times when it just goes down, it goes up, it takes your stop loss. You should not be in this zone. You are not the market maker, and you are just a trader. You're just a tiny pebble. If you've watched the what do you call it, the Monkey King, you're just a tiny pebble. You are insignificant when it comes to this market. So the best thing for you to do is to stay out of the way. Now, how do you get those events that are actually going to cause stuff like this? Now, you're going to click, if you are using MetaTrader 5, you can go to forexfactory.com. But if you're using MetaTrader 5, you can click on your calendar. You click on your Control T. Control T is for the tab menu. Control T will open your tab menu. Then click on calendar. Now, which day was this? If I check the date, it shows the 3rd of May was the day this candle happened, the 3rd of May. Now, if I scroll to the 3rd of May, I hope you guys can see it. The time this candle happens was during 15:30. If I go to the 3rd of May and you check around 15:30, what are you seeing there? USD news. Look at 15:30, non-farm payroll. Was this a market you needed to trade? Did you have to be in this market? Did you have to trade today? No. These are the days you just take a vacation, you take a time off, you go to your friend's place, you go to a bar, you go to a beach. Just take your time off and do the things that will actually make you happy. You are not a slave to this market, and if you actually want to do this for a living, you have to take this seriously. This is gambling. This is uncertainty. There is no edge to be gotten out of trading these types of markets. I hope you guys are getting what I'm saying, and I hope I'm making sense. So, and one more thing, guys, before I kick off this video, I consider every news, both medium and red news. Guys, just play this scenario with me. On Monday, let's say we have an AED news by 8 o'clock, and by 10 o'clock, and by 1 o'clock. Why am I trading an AUD pair? When we have USD JPY, we have Euro JPY, we have NZD card, we have AUD NZD, we have GBP card. Like, why am I doing with AUD? Why am I doing Euro AUD when we have news? Look at Euro AUD. Maybe we had news during this time. Why am I trading this pair? Just look at before the news, what happened? Price constricted for a long period of time and broke out. This is why day traders are mostly sought to be non-profitable, because they're always doing dumb shit. They want to stick to one pair and they want to take all the losses a pair gives when it's in a bad context and there's clearly smart money. Like, the news is actually telling you we are going to be manipulating this market, but a lot of traders still, regardless, do not take account of that and go ahead taking multiple losses until they drain their accounts dry, and you wonder why their strategy is not working and why their equity curve is getting lower and lower. Why do you have to do this to yourself? Guys, just take a step back. I want you to backtest your strategy and avoid every single news day on that pair. A news day, stay out of that pair, trade another pair that doesn't have news, and have more chances of making you money, more chances of not screwing you up, more chances of trades going in your direction without any interference. Guys, I like to stay the F out of the way. I don't want to be in the way of smart money, or I don't want to be in the way of composite money coming into the charts. I just want to be there making money from the markets which are currently delivering in the right direction. Now, this is not a video showing you, oh, enter here, make 100%, exit here, make 1,000,000%. But these are the type of videos that actually level you up as a trader. These are the strategy, or these are the actual steps you have to take to actually improve your trading. I hope I was making some sense in this video, and hope somebody implements it and test this out, because a lot of traders be in my comment section, oh, it doesn't work, oh, it works. Oh, I don't want you to take my word for it. Just take it with a grain of salt, and then go make yourself more money in trading. The only aim of this channel is to actually create traders that actually make money and kill the market. Sometimes I might come off not so, how do I put it? I don't communicate too well sometimes, but I'm going to try to arrange it all up This channel is just like a side gig for me. I just come here, whatever knowledge I gather during the week, I'm gonna pour it out here. That's why you don't see me making videos every single day. I keep updating this channel with all the gems scattered throughout my videos. So there's no one video you're gonna learn everything from. You have to keep watching my videos and keep learning every single day. Okay, so hopefully you enjoyed this video. Stay blessed, subscribe, and leave a like button. Leave a comment on this video telling me what you think, and that'll be all for today. Have a great morning, afternoon, or evening.